description.
In a small town whisper star, Ramen rage has made his mark. People gather, children smile.
All right, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with a special episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's the day before New Year's Day, aka New Year's Eve 2025. So tomorrow it will be 2026. Getting that out of the way. This is a show where I show you what you can do with your instant noodles. And today I'm doing this. This is Buldak. Yeah, that's a rubber band. Buldak original in a bowl. And I've a small, quick story about it. So let's add the boiling water to the line. Like so. And we're gonna cover it with this lid for 4 minutes. So recently, my son Miles has been very interested in trying Buldak. And I'll tell you right now, that's kind of a surprise. He's not super into things that aren't crunchy or cold or, yeah. Hot food, spicy, yeah. But generally something mushy and of this kind of consistency, so we'll see what happens. I'm hoping for the best. He might go for it, he might not, and that you will see on the mukbang that will come after this. So yeah, we had a good Christmas. The tree is down, the lighting accoutrements are down. Oh, Alexa, turn on Disco Party. There. That light's still up. But it's gotten cold. Very cold. Woke up this morning and it said it was 29 degrees. That's pretty cold. Cold and dry, so everybody's eyes are funky. What else is going on? Went and had a doctor's appointment yesterday, and turns out in the last 6 months I've lost 35 pounds. That's a plus. Can't complain about that. And what else? Just been playing a lot of records, man. A lot of records. Dug out all these records out of the storage. I haven't done a review since what? Christmas Eve. Yeah. Because I did that 24-day stint of the Nissen Germany Advent calendar. And honestly, just doing one review a day isn't that bad. But waking up in the morning and having to do a video, wiping the sleep out of my eyes to find out if it's something new that I've got to like do all the pictures of, get all ready, or if it's something I've reviewed within the last year or so that all I got to do is copy the old images from the packaging. And then plus I wouldn't know if it's like, is it a beef one, a shrimp one, a chicken one, duck? I mean, so I had to like figure out how I was going to prepare things. It's like there were a couple times when I would crack it open and there was a beef one and there's like, oh crap, I've got to like get to the store and get a little bit of ground beef to make this. So it's been an interesting go with that. Today's review, nothing but the original product. So I did the Buldak cup a little while back, and the Buldak, I don't even know if that's posted yet, but the Buldak cup, it seemed way less spicy than it used to. Is that kind of what's going on? Or are the Buldak varieties getting less and less spicy? I don't know, but that could be a thing. But yeah, I'm going to do this one, and I don't know when the next time I'm going to do a review will be. I'm like 6 months ahead. The ones that are coming out now, I believe, are from like July. So I've definitely got time to like chillax on doing reviews. So I'm not complaining. I'm just stating facts. All right. So here is the noodle, which we will drain. Now, the lid for these have 3 little triangles. You might have noticed that. I've seen on Reddit people go, "What are the triangles all about? Is this?" It's for chopsticks. So what you would do is you would buy it, put the boiling water in it, close the lid, and then poke the holes with the chopsticks, and there's your drain spout. I'm using a strainer as I'm in the kitchen, and when I prepare one of these, I take the lid off and I scan it, so I could either rest the lid on it or do what I just did. This looks like it hydrated very nicely. So now we need the man of the hour. Hey Miles, why don't you come in here? So he's really into trying this out. See that?
Mm-hmm.
That's the spicy stuff.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're gonna add that in now. There we go. Ooh. Kind of looks like chocolate syrup, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Except it's red and it's really spicy and it's mean. You'll do good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't like hot food at all?
No.
So what I'll do is I'll let this cool down before we do the mukbang, okay?
Okay.
The only thing is with that, it's going to be kind of hard to... It'll want to stick together. But we'll live. Alright. So there's that. Here. I'm sure many of you have done this a million times, but I figure I'll let you see. Buldak. Yeah, that hydrated very nicely. The noodle, I mean, I'm not going to eat any of this right now. I hope you realize. That's going to go this is just for the mukbang. It is a review, though. I'll review it during the mukbang. Yeah, look at the side of the bowl. It looks like a crime scene in there. That's crazy. Okay, so now we need old rotato. Need to move you this way. Yeah, that works. And then we add our buldak to the bowl. We'll save the liner for posterity. Okay, let's see. Oh, I just gave myself extra work. Okay. And then this is the garnish sachet. So this is sesame seeds and a little bit of seaweed. And there we have Buldak. So let's let Rotato do a little dance with it for a minute. ready?
Yes.
Are you jazzed? Are you pumped?
A little bit.
A little pumped?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna do this. This is gonna be the next thing that you see. It'll come out 30 minutes after this video did. Today is December 31st, 2025. Happy New Year, dude.
Happy New Year.
All right. This has been Hans, and this has been
Miles here.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
And Happy New Year.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Oh, the ramen waiter's reign brings us joy and little pain, fighting over his great name. Life will never be the